Aloe vera plant requires some important things in summer days to survive and continue its growth. In the summer season, the rising temperature makes their leaves to turn like this. Therefore in this video, I am going to show you every useful thing you should know to grow aloe vera plants in summers, so keep watching and subscribe to our channel for more updates. The most important thing to take care of in summers is the location of aloe vera plant. The sunlight of summers is very hot, that is not so much suitable for aloe vera plant. Too much exposure of sunlight causes a stunted growth on aloe vera, and its leaves also starts drying. Take a look of this plant, its leaves had turned red, only due to the strong sunlight exposure. It's the natural response of aloe vera plant towards direct sunlight exposure. For juicy aloe vera leaves, you should place your plants in a well-lit area, just a little away from direct sunlight. It promotes a healthy growth with green aloe vera leaves. If you are living in cooler area where summers are not too much hot, then you don't need to worry about this thing. The ideal temperature range for aloe vera plant is from 13 degrees up to 27 degrees. At these temperature ranges, aloe vera plant shows a really fast growth. But in summer days, this temperature is not possible, so it's better to place your aloe vera plants in a shade. Other thing you should do to keep your aloe vera plant growing is to keep the plant hydrated. Many times the leaves starts drying and their gel also starts drying slowly. This thing happens when the plant is facing water shortage. Aloe vera is a succulent, but keeping it thirsty for a longer time can affect the growth and gel. As the soil dry outs about 90%, then add water into the soil mix. You might need to water aloe vera after a week, or if your soil is not water retaining, then it can also takes up to 2 to 3 days. Whenever the soil dries, you just have to add water. For juicy aloe vera leaves, watering is really important. It's better to keep the plant hydrated by watering regularly. That doesn't mean you add too much water into the soil. Adding water regularly can also cause overwatering condition that further leads to such type of rotted leaves. It happens mostly because your soil medium is not good to drain water efficiently. So it's also important to use a good medium for aloe vera. A loose and well-draining mixture works well for aloe vera plants. In summer days, a good mixture also helps you to keep the plant healthy and hydrated. For that you can make a quality mixture at home, by mixing some easily available ingredients. You can use a mix of sand, cocoa peat, and cow dung in these ratios. This mixture works well for aloe vera plants. It's well-draining, loose and perfectly water-retentive. Otherwise you can also buy a professional potting mix for aloe vera plants from the description box link. That mixture also works very well. In the hard summers, it's better to avoid propagation of aloe vera plants. You can wait a little. After summers you can grow their pups very easily. The increased temperature is not good to propagate aloe vera. I have also made an article on caring aloe vera in summer days, that is in the description box and on our website 𝑃ureGreeny.com. You can check out that later. Lastly, if we talk about the fertilizers, aloe vera plant doesn't require any specific fertilizer. And in summer days, you should also avoid adding too many fertilizers. Best way to fertilize aloe vera plant in summer days is to use a fertilizer every 15 to 20 days. A diluted nitrogen-enriched fertilizer helps you to grow bigger aloe vera leaves. For that you can use cow dung liquid fertilizer, that is really easy to make, and best for promoting a healthy green growth on aloe vera plant. It's not preferred to use cow dung liquid fertilizer again and again. You should use this liquid only once in a month, especially in summers. After that, you can apply it every 15 to 20 days. For making cow dung liquid fertilizer, check out a video from the description box and I button. That video will describe you everything about cow dung liquid. So this is the whole video. Hope you find these tips useful. For any question, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to know how you can grow more pups on aloe vera plant, then must check out this article here.